So what's up guys, it's Kid God here from Finstock. Today I'll be teaching you a trending dance. It's called Am I Wrong? So am I wrong to show you this tutorial? Of course no. So let's get started. So the first move, make sure you're bringing your weight to the left. Like here, you don't want to do this. You look something crazy. So lean here, then go 1, 2, turn, go 1, 2. So let's try 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the first step. So let's confirm it one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that. So from there, the second move is a bit technical because you are doing two motions at the same time. Your body is going forward, your leg is moving backward. So you go like boom, 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 for counts of 4. So let's try 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just like that, super easy. So let's try from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's a drill, so you're gonna put that drill juice. So let's try with that juice. So let's go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, you can clap for yourself because you've gone forward to the third move. So let's go to the third move. Going to the third move, we are going down, like down, down, down. So let's try from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You wanna go boom. Okay, so let's try 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Okay, before you do this, because if you do it just randomly, it's gonna feel kind of difficult. So you can do some few squats like that, okay, so that your body gets an idea what you're about to do next. So you're done with your squats. So let's hit that move. So go down, down. When you're coming up, you swipe your thigh, your left thigh with your right hand. So like this, boom. So you go down, boom, down. Do the vice versa with the left hand, right leg. So let's try 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, swipe, boom, swipe. Okay. So after that, now the next one is just clapping like this. But when you're down, so you go 1, swipe, 1, swipe, down, clap, down, clap. The next one, okay, that's super easy. I don't need to explain like a lot because you go down, you clap here, go down, clap here. So go down again. Your left hand, it's gonna go back and like it's kind of you're removing your socks or something. So go down, boom, go down, put it back like that. So you're gonna try from here. So let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 clap, boom, clap, boom, down, in, and you're done. So the next part, it's more of a freestyle. So when you're done with this part, that's the end of the tutorial. So we're gonna try it with some music. Let's go.